In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to shorten a Google form link in about 5 minutes. This can be handy whether you're sharing your form via social media, embedding it into emails, or just want a cleaner look for your links. Let's dive right in and make those lengthy URLs more manageable. First things first, you'll need to access your Google form. So, open your preferred web browser and go to the Google Forms website. If you're not already signed in, you'll see a sign-in page prompting you to input your email address. Go ahead and type that in, click next, and then enter your password before hitting sign in again. It's a straightforward process, just like logging into any other Google service. Once you're logged in, navigate to the specific Google form you wish to share. You can find your forms listed on the Google Forms homepage, so pick the one you need. This is where the fun begins. After selecting your form, look for the send button at the top right corner of the screen. It's that simple to get to the next step. Clicking on send will bring up several sharing options, but for our purpose, you want to focus on getting the link. To do that, you'll need to click on the chain icon, representative of a hyperlink, to access the form's direct link. Now, here's where Google makes it very easy for us. Right there in the link sharing window, you'll see an option to shorten URL. Give that a click. In just a second or two, you'll notice the previously lengthy URL transform into a much more compact version. It's practically magic. The last step is simply to copy your newly shortened URL. Click on copy next to your shortened link, and voila, you're all set to share your Google form wherever you please, without worrying about the ungainly length of the link. A couple of things to remember. While shortening links is incredibly convenient, always make sure you're sharing your forms with your intended audience to maintain privacy and security. And if you're embedding the link on a website or in an email, always test the link first to ensure it directs users exactly where you want them to go. And there you have it, a quick and easy guide to shortening your Google form links. Now go forth and share your forms with confidence, knowing that your links are neat, tidy, and ready for clicking. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check back in for more handy guides and tips.